I'm Molly, better known as Makeup Molly across socials. Today I have a product for you that is going to just change your life. This is amazing. I'm so pumped to share this with you guys. Makeup Eraser came out with the first ever machine washable sponge. If you are lazy like me and you're someone who dreads washing your makeup sponges, this is going to be, like I said, a game changer. The set is going to come with your wash ball, which you are going to wash and dry your sponge with, and also, of course, the sponge. The sponge itself is super soft, really great for any application you need to use it for. You can use it wet, you can use it dry. I love personally using it for foundation, concealer. I even use powder with this guy. It's a really, really super soft sponge. You just throw your dirty sponge right into the wash ball and you close it up and you throw this into your washer with your towels, with your other makeup erasers. If you go a little bit longer than a week without washing your sponge, all you have to do is apply your favorite cleanser or laundry detergent prior to washing. Leave it soak for 15 to 60 minutes and then put it into your wash ball. And you can go ahead and dry this as well. When you take it out, you have a perfectly clean sponge that is ready for use. How simple is that?